meant to serve is important. My understanding at this point is that the people of Oyo did not be present. We want this law to serve the institution of the traditional institution. I have not heard of anybody here or any stakeholder engagement where the people of Oyo have been invited. Yes, the chairman is presiding, yes. The chairman is presiding, please allow me to continue. So they don't be involved. That way, we need to register that we've not been engaged. That's number one. Number two, on Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, in the morning, the House of Assembly released a communication where the House explained that this bill that is being considered is to reposition Alaafin for where it should be. Where in that communication, reference was made to the issue of the section 4C of the bill. Sorry, 4C. Yeah, reference was made to section 4C of the bill in that communication. Today, section 4C has been completely deleted from the bill. Today, section 4C has been deleted from the bill, which shows that the spirit of this bill is changed. Or it has been changed. The spirit of this bill has changed to something. Mr. Speaker, I'm still standing, sir. With your permission, sir. With your permission, sir. You don't have to put me under pressure. I have before. Mr. Speaker, our laws should reflect history. Our laws should reflect our history. We know where we are coming from. If we are breaking laws because of convenience, political convenience, Mr. Speaker, I want to believe that is against the oath of office which is what? Making laws to reflect our political convenience is against the oath of office which we also, Mr. Speaker, I want to plead that this honorable house do remember the oath we swore to on the 13th day of June 2023 in this chamber. In our guidance. Mr. Speaker, I also want to mention that on the issue of representative on the list of the council, in the initial bill, we have the principal bill, we have 15. In the bill that was sent to the House, which was authored by your humble self, Mr. Speaker, and the other leaders in the House, it was increased from 15 to 35. Right now, it has been increased to just a minute, I just confirm. It has been increased to 41. Mr. 2, is it 41? Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, it is, I believe that these are responsible people in this chamber. The people of Oyo State are following what we are doing here. They deserve to know what led to the increase in that number from 35 to 41. Let me now, this is a form of the House of Assembly. There should be a framework. There should be a framework guiding the inclusion of Obas in this bill. There should be a framework. There should be a process. We should know what qualifies A, what qualifies B for inclusion. We don't just wake up from our bedside and today I feel good with Obalabaja, so Obalabaja should be included. That is not right. I believe we should be right. Should we make it interactive or you just want to be talking? No, I'm ready to listen to you. Okay, for example, in Oyo zone, we have to include a lot of I think like maybe 2 or 4 from the Oyo into what we're doing. And then from stakeholders engagement here and there. That is how the number was. It was on initially we were of the opinion that we
should be one of our local council. In our argument last Thursday, we said we should exclude the paramount rulers in some local council because we represent the whole area. For example, Sean, for example, Anafi, for example, Ulubada. They cannot represent one local council, but they have to represent the whole town. So these are some of the things we do to. And that is why we are putting up there for arguments. You can look, and it was one of, you also a part of the submission. And if we have an issue with one of us, you feel like we should be included